welcome back to my channel. So today you guys, I bring you guys this video right here, and it is on the new Magnificent eyeshadow palette from Rimmel London. As you guys know, Rimmel London has been coming out with a lot of new products, and they've come out with the foundation, a concealer, new eyeshadow palettes. What else did they come out with? I think a mascara. They just came out with a bunch of items, products that you guys might want to try. So if you guys don't know, I am going to try to do a series here of how the Rimmel London products are working. Well, not all of them, because I'm not going to go blurt my money on all of them. But, you know, this is my second thing I will be reviewing for you guys. If you guys haven't seen my foundation review, I'll be linked it down below. Excuse the quality, because I just got a new camera, so I'm feeling bad and bougie in this video. But, you know, I'm just learning along the way. So, yeah, today we're going to be doing the review demo swatches on this little baby right here. Let me just tell you guys a little bit about the product first. This is one out of the 4 palettes. I did get all 4 palettes. Won't be reviewing all 4 because the other 3 are neutral colors, so I don't see why I review all 4. I mean, all the other 3 on separate videos. But this is what the palette looks like, you guys. You guys get the neutral rose right here for the basic girls out there, for your everyday makeup. And then we get the little more bad and bougie, edgy type makeup for the ones that wear smoky ass shit every day like me. But yeah, you guys, if you guys want to see how this palette works, let your girl know. Well, don't let your girl know, because it's going to be in this video. What am I talking about? But yeah, let me tell you guys right now that this palette does retail for $10. Got it at CVS. You probably can get it a little bit cheaper at Walmart. If you can't find it at CVS and CVS is too expensive, go to Walmart. I just didn't go to Walmart because it's not as close as CVS. CVS is literally around the corner. I can go outside and look down the street and I could see my CVS. But yeah, you guys, if you guys want to see how this applies, then keep on watching. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and go into this. And like I was saying, I kind of wish this palette had a matte white bone color, so you could set your eyelid and set your brow bone. And then I do wish it had like a neutral toned color for your transition color. So they do have more palettes, I know, but that's a must in every palette. So you can go ahead and like have your eye set and, you know, like a transition color that's not a blue or a dark purple, because you are trying to get a transition color to blend everything in, and you don't want to just keep on adding and adding and adding another color. So I already have my transition color. We're gonna go into, I'm gonna go into this purple shade right here, and I'm gonna be softly just putting that on my crease where my lid folds, and then we'll just go in and blend it. So you guys can see they're pigmented, and I wouldn't want this to be a transition color because it's already starting to look a little bit dark. Right off the back, there's kickback, nothing too much, you guys. And for the sake of this video, let me tell you guys, this is the second time I filmed this video. The first time I filmed with this memory card that I had, that was a 64, and I was like, hey, let me just use this one because my other memory card has so many videos like that I haven't deleted, videos I already uploaded, videos from God knows when I was wearing like this bright pink lipstick. So mind you, I used that memory card, and I don't know if it's because it was sitting there for 2 years or what, but oh my god, the biggest problem I had with putting my video into my computer, importing it to edit it, it would not, you guys, my computer was not having that SD card, like, and this one I had to delete everything on there and just use this one because this is the one I use. So yeah, then we're gonna go ahead and intensify the eye a little bit. I'm gonna go into this darker shade right here. It's like a purplish black, you guys can see. Come on, focus, baby. This one right here. You guys, let me know if you guys like my camera quality. I do it all for you guys. And if I'm looking over here, it's because I still haven't got used to this camera, so I have to see if it doesn't stop recording. Because let me tell you guys, the stress of getting this camera was giving me high blood pressure AF. I went to so many stores. Oh, you guys, I had to go an hour away to pick you up to pick this baby up. Like, it was horrible. When I mean horrible, like, it was freaking intense. Like, I went to Best Buy a couple weeks ago, like 3 weeks ago, and I had asked to put in an order for this camera. So when I knew the day it was going to get here, that they said it would get there, for me to go obviously and pick it up. So I'm grabbing a little bit of the transition color just to put that up here, so I can go obviously and pick it up once it gets there. I know where it's at, I know I'm gonna have it, and everything's gonna be okay. So you guys, let me tell you, I get there on Friday after I got paid, because I was like, okay, let's go get my camera, you know. And these fools didn't have it. So I was like, okay, whatever, I'll just go on Sunday on my day off on the search for this camera. I was gonna get the T6i, but it was the same thing as this one, just that one doesn't make noise with the lens. And I was like, okay, this one I'm gonna be saving $200 more, so I'll just get this one and deal with the noise later. So I went to this Walmart an hour away because they said they had it. I go in there and I play with it and it turns off on me. So I was like, I'm not taking this. I'm not going to take this risk at home of the camera turning off on me. So I had to go to this other Walmart a couple minutes away, like 15-20 minutes away. Mind you, I live in Sacramento, so there's always traffic. Like everywhere on the freeway, there's always freaking traffic. So this look went from 0 to 100 real quick. I get there and they have the last one. The last one. I was like, okay, give it to me. Let me test it. I'm not leaving before I test it, because I'm not going to drive an hour back to go return a camera and it didn't work, you know. So thank the Lord it worked. I brought it home with me. Got home, recorded this tutorial. Not this one. But, you know, I recorded and fucking used fucking old SD card. Excuse my French. So this is how it looks. You guys can see they're very pigmented. This purple black looks black. And we're gonna go into, I'm gonna go into this gold color right here. I'm gonna go in just with a regular brush. I'm not gonna wet the eyeshadows, so if you guys want to wet it, you guys go ahead and wet it, but I'm not going to. And I'm just gonna be applying this like this as a halo. Go ahead, and I don't want to go crazy, but you know, you never know. So I think I want to grab this green look, this green right here. I'm gonna go back into this brush and put the yellow back on there a little bit. And just create this little halo. You know, this looks so ugly, like I'm not even gonna lie. But it's okay. It's okay. Then I'm just gonna grab that transition color and blend everything in. And I feel like this look needs glitter. Glitter just makes everything so much better. So we're gonna put gold glitter. And this is the glitter from eBay. So if you guys don't have it and you guys want it, go get it. And this one's also from eBay. So I'm gonna be applying this to outline where I'm gonna be putting the loose glitter at. For the loose glitter, I'm gonna be using this eyeshadow brush from BH Cosmetics. It's the 10. And you guys, it's so little you guys can't even see. But this is the glitter, the color of the glitter I'm going to be using for me eyeballs. And then this is the loose glitter we're going to be using. Okay. Guys, sorry, my battery had died. I had to switch it out real quick. So yeah, let me tell you guys right now, like I was saying, don't go and travel and just take this palette, because you will not have a good transition shade, and I don't think you want your transition shade to be a purple, because then you're just gonna be adding more color, and it's just gonna turn into a smoky eye. So if that's what you're going for, okay, but if not, no. But if you do want to get this palette, I'll leave it linked in the description box down below. I do want to tell you guys I would purchase this palette because of all the colors you have, and if you do go traveling, it's an amazing palette because you do have, and I'm saying it's not, but it is. I'm just saying don't take this palette anywhere by itself because you don't have a lot of matte shades in it. So like if I were to go somewhere, like maybe, because I am going to go somewhere in a couple months, like 4 months from now, I would like take a all matte palette and then an all shimmer palette, and then just that'll be perfect. Or just take one palette that has all. But yeah, you guys, I did like the shimmer shadows in this palette. They're so amazing. You guys are going to see it for yourself in this video. If you guys haven't yet, I hope you guys have. I just be all over the place with my videos. I need to like be more organized. But yeah, you guys, we came to the end of this video. If you're new to my channel, welcome to my channel. My name's Christina, and I hope you're here to stay with me. But yeah, if you're not, hey girl, what's up? Welcome back to another one of my videos. Thank you guys so much. Let me know what you guys think about the quality. I really want to bring you guys the best content ever. Sorry for this eyeliner right here. It's just not being my friend right now, so it's just whatever. Ignore it, you guys. I am so sorry. But yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. I love all of you guys. Hugs, kisses, and have a good day because you deserve to smile. Bye.